When you're running drainage in a yard with a play area, you always want to make sure the kids are coming in with their muddy feet, and this was a mess. When I seen this early in the season, there was so much mud on the playground here. No fence. Neighbor's got a fence, but this lot doesn't. I quoted from that corner down the property line, across the back, and then up to that corner. Comes to about 170 feet. It's a clean dig. That's where we're tying everything into. He's really worried about what this is going to look like afterwards. I'm telling you, we might as well just run some feeder pipes in there. You can see just the kids. I mean, it's jacked. Probably like a feeder pipe, and just go underneath that a little bit to get the water out. Because we're here because of this. I mean, look at the kids, how muddy. I mean, you know. All right, we're running the high octane. The guys are fast. By the time I got back, all the stone was in. But I wanted to show you how we handle swing sets, because I think it's really important. Playgrounds and play areas, you have to go in the high traffic areas. So the swing sets are right there. A blind inlet came off here, and we're just going to put a grate over that. Right here, this is real popular to hold water in here. So you want to just tunnel underneath there, dig down a foot. We're 14 by 14 here, and we're going to put that grate over it after we pin all the fabric and whatnot. So then that's going to take in all the water really, really fast, and the high octane is just going to move the water insanely quick. So we went across the backyard in this house, and we went up both sides. The whole lot it's a large lot for a city lot, to be honest with you. So the slope gets lost when you carry it over more distance. And turf grass needs so much slope. It's just insane how much the turf grass needs for the water to actually find its way out. So unless you have a really, really steep slope, nice thick turf that we all love here in the north is going to hurt you. So we're going to do a blind inlet in the corners. A lot of water collects right here, so we want to keep up with that. We don't want no issues. Guys are pinning the fabric right now. If you want to learn more about yard drains, subscribe. If you're looking for this service in southeastern Michigan, give us a call. All right, guys. Until next time, let's all work hard to do it right the first time. We're going to keep it simple. You DIYers, stay tuned for more high octane.